nothing else, in my opinion, can make force upon me to sing. But for that, it is not fitting in my view to leave joy or gladness or solace. Rather it pleases me more, and I like it that I sing, since I am not forced for the joy of myself and of others. True worth with which I gilded my song most finely died. So I have such grief as a reed has a tale, but solace I keep in joy, for it pleases me. For he who flees joy or solace leads himself to the sin of death. But because I wish to live, sing, and I have at least my own pleasure. For this I prize my song more. And where the bass ones go with moral humor, and the idlers, my solace, goes forward all the more. And I tell you that it pleases me greatly when they are grieved or make noise about me, when I take delight. Yet I know well if I sing, few will be grateful to me for it, and I expected a few. So few are those who love song. But singing, I say that there is no honor without joy, nor great happiness without solace. If one single man whom joy does not please burdens the whole world with vexation, see what we two can do. And to have my heart joy, and with joy to gild my song. And if ever, loving, I stood in heavy balance, or if long hope for solace failed me, now I have joy for which it pleases me. For I myself, without love, bring joy to myself. And I am richer than I ever was. Solace, oh, whom true joy pleases, let him sing my song, for it brings joy to the worthy and flees from the base.